Personally, for me, I am pro-vaccination, and I work in the healthcare field. My office is in a doctor's office, so I wanted to make sure that I was safe.
Jill Basili is fully vaccinated. She didn't know which shot she was going to get when she arrived at the pharmacy.
I was able to get the shot, and I was actually very happy to hear that it was Pfizer because I knew a lot of information about it.
And she'd also heard a lot of vaccination stories.
I know a couple friends of mine that had the Moderna shot. They were fine the first time. The second time, they were actually out of work for several days.
Side effect stories range from fever and chills to needing bed rest to one like Jill's.
I think the only side effect that I had from my very first shot was a very sore arm for about 5 days.
Varying stories are not uncommon, doctors say, who point out how folks handle the shot seem to be as unique as individuals themselves.
Some people traditionally just don't react well to vaccines. And then there's it's just the thought of the needle in the arm that gets people very nervous.
Which is why Dr. Angela Nicholas, Chief Medical Officer of Einstein Montgomery, says if nerves are getting to you, make sure you don't go alone.
To eat before you go, it's important to wait the 15 minutes before you leave to make sure that you don't have any reaction. Bring somebody with you. Have somebody drive you to your appointment so that you can make sure that if you're going to have a reaction, you're not driving when it happens.
And for those teens getting the shot, also make sure you eat and hydrate and don't panic.
It's not uncommon for especially young people to pass out during
vaccination day.
If you're somebody that doesn't like shots, I'm sorry. I wish there was a better way to do it. But for right now, this is the best we have. And if everybody does it, then I think I feel like my mom, right? But if everybody, if most people get the vaccine, then we're going to get to that herd immunity a lot quicker.
Deanna Durante, NBC10 News.